XPS 1393152 in 1. The XPS name is held to higher standards than your typical Inspiron or Vostro machine. The XPS 1393152 in 1 mostly hits it out of the park. Take on anything, anywhere with the XPS 132 in 1. From work to learning to life, use it as a laptop, sketchpad, or for video calls and streaming. Soft touch surface is nice at first, but it accumulates dirt and fingerprints easily. There are no other color options available. Keyboard base sits flat on the table to reduce teetering when typing. Pogo pins on the folio base attach to the bottom of the tablet via magnets. There is no protective recess for holding a pen unlike on the Surface Pro 8. The rear camera protrudes by quite a bit, much like on many smartphones. The optional stylus pen attaches magnetically to the top edge of the tablet. Top. Volume buttons, fingerprint-enabled power button. Right. No ports. Left. 2x USB-C with Thunderbolt 4, power delivery, and DisplayPort 1.4. Bottom. Pins for attaching keyboard dock. Dell advertises a 500 nit display with full sRGB coverage, which we can confirm with our own independent measurements. Contrast ratio is also very good for an IPS panel at about 1500 to 1, and there is no PWM on lower brightness levels unlike on the Microsoft equivalent.